So now Runjan is going in kids area and this is the entrance. एयरप्लेन बना हुआ है बहुत बड़ा, लगता है हम एरोप्लेन में बैठे जा रहे हैं. पूरा इसका एंट्रेंस है पूरे एक तरीके से एयरपोर्ट की तरह बना हुआ. So now we have entered in Kidzania. This is the view. Wow. ये मिनी सिटी बस है ना. It looks like a mini city ना. So first we need to find out the bank so that we can cash the check, right? Straight and second line. One option. This is the kind of mini city. This is the hospital. Emergency. Right now Runjan is in Dainik Jagran newspaper bureau and she is doing her activity. Wow. अभी आ गई है रुंझुन न्यूज़पेपर ब्यूरो से पुलिस स्टेशन में आई है. इसको कुछ इंक्वायरी करनी है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करनी है एंड पूरा ये रोल प्ले बेस्ड एक्टिविटी हो रही है. फॉर 20 मिनट्स एक्टिविटी में दे विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ न्यूज़पेपर ब्यूरो, हाउ दे आर वर्किंग, हाउ दे आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द थिंग्स एंड दिस इज़ वेरी फन. शी इज़ एंजॉइंग अ लॉट हियर. पूरा यहाँ पे इन्होंने जेल भी बना रखा है. ये एक जेल है पुलिस स्टेशन में और उनके अपनी इंक्वायरी कर रही है पूरी. आई थिंक शी इज़ डन विद हर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. नाउ शी विल अगेन गो टू द न्यूज़पेपर ब्यूरो.
ओके. नाउ वेयर वी हैव टू
अगेन शी इज़ इन दैनिक जागरण न्यूज़पेपर ब्यूरो. She is entering her work in the laptop. Whatever she has done, she need to enter all kind of information which she gathered, and she is doing the same thing. Well, it's a learning activity. अपना वर्क कर रही है अभी दैनिक जागरण न्यूज़ पेपर ब्यूरो में. बहुत ही लर्निंग और फन बेस्ड एक्टिविटी है. और जो पीछे भैया खड़े हैं उन्होंने पूरा इसको एक्सप्लेन किया है हाउ दे आर वर्किंग. एंड We're gonna have a lot of fun, learning, and different kind of experience here. Runjun is in the emergency hospital. Now she will become a doctor.
This is the newspaper printed
Yes.
by Adya.
ये इनकी पेड एक्टिविटीज है।
No, I don't think paid
नहीं, जो ये मनी मिलती है जाने वाली वो ली गई है या
नहीं,
नहीं?
अभी तक नहीं।
चलो जाओ।
Children are also asking questions. Fun learning activity, role play activities.
So right now Runjun is doing the emergency activity. So she is in ambulance.
Runjun is right now in emergency ambulance. She is sitting inside it. Now she is learning how the emergency services are working.
आ जाओ।
Come.
Now Runjun is in nursery hospital, medical facility. She is in. She will be inside for surgery. She will wanna experience how the surgery is take place. Right now she is cutting. Wow. इक्विपमेंट्स भी हैं इनके सारे सर्जिकल. ओह गॉड. Surgical equipments. She is explaining how these are working. Oh my god. She's explaining each and everything about different organs, and like it's an interactive session between Adhya and the other girl. She is asking the questions, she is giving the answer, and vice versa. She is explaining about different kind of organs and how the organs are working, what is the work of particular organ. She is interacting. It's an interactive session because she is asking the questions and Adya is also giving the answers, and Adya asking the questions, that girl is giving the answers. It is like a live things. Very nice activity. Lot of learning with fun. Delivery service with. She will become the delivery girl. She will learn how to deliver the products, the parcel to its destination. She is wearing the dress. hair delivery activity. They are collecting the parcel from here. From Radio City, they have collected a parcel and they have entered the information here. Now they are searching where to go next. They will go to their next destination. Indian is right now Chika's Locker Fashion Boutique and Runway. Here she can perform two kind of activities. One is modeling and second one is decorating the dummy. So right now she will perform the decorating dummy activity. This is related to fashion sense. Learn to decorate the dummy. They will mention the next cycle here. She is choosing the clothes for that dummy so that she can decorate her with the different kind of clothes. And it's an expenditure activity. Like till now, till yet is how like number of activities she has done, and in each and every activity she earns some money. But in this activity, she paid money from her earnings. It is right now Animation Studios and the name is Tinkle. She is wearing her clothes. Saloon and barber. She is sitting inside. Now she will understand about earthquake. In this segment she will learn about all these things. Runjhun is learning about earthquake prevention training center. So she is explaining all the things. Now she is going for her training. Right now Runjhun is learning how to save someone's life, in a panic situation of earthquake. Right now Runjun is here for taking secret agent training, and she will have to go for certain adventurous training exercises. Let's see. This is how the infrastructure for training facility here. She's gonna perform. Proper setup, we can see here training facility का proper setup है, and now they both are waiting for her for their chances.
Baby gear? Baby gear you want?
Come. So right now Runjun is in nursery section, baby care. She will learn how to do
Baby gear?
the caring activities with the baby.
You should do it. No, these activities you have to do. Just the court you don't have to do it. Do not ever remove the diaper. You know what's behind it. Do not ever remove the diaper. And if you don't know what's underneath it, put. Yeah, shut up. You shut up. Wait, I'm pretty.
Runjun. Runjun. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आप नहीं कर पाओगे, आपका पैर आपको नहीं हो पाएगा।
स्पीड कम कर लो बेटा, हाँ स्पीड कम करो, हाँ ऐसे ऐसे बढ़ा लो तेज करो। जैसे आपकी ना स्पीड कंट्रोल होती है, कम ज़्यादा होगी। हाँ चलो चलो चलो, हाँ ऊपर करो और करो, हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। चलो चलो चलो, स्पीड बढ़ाओ। अच्छा हो गया, चलो।
Is going in the construction company of Kidzania. She is getting ready there, and she's waiting for her chance. Runjun, are you going in the construction company?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye. Enjoy. So here she will. That's how she's getting ready. She's wearing the helmet. Okay. We can see all the safety measures they are putting on her. So no need to fear for anything. Very good, Runjun. बहुत बढ़िया. Keep going. Wow, very good.
Come on, Bhaiya.
Very good, come on. Yes, like this. Very good, well done. Very good. Now Runjun is in firefighter activity. Here she will get ready for her activity, and then she will go for the firefighting site. It is like there is a hotel and which got fire. And this is the firefighting team. They will all go to the site, and they will fire out from the hotel. First of all, here they will get ready. They will get some knowledge about the firefighting instruments. They will get the dresses, helmet, and they will come to know how to put out the fire. Then they will go on their vehicle, firefighting vehicle. That's how they are going to execute it. Now they are going on their fire site, and they are going to put out the fire. नीचे बैठो नीचे. अरे यार. Jaldi, come on. Come on. Take your position. Very good. Runjun, look here. Runjun. Yeah, like a fire or putting out the fire.
आग बुझ चुकी है. बच्चों ने सारी आग बुझा दी इस होटल की. अब जो फायर फाइटर्स हैं किड्स यानी के ये बैक टू ऑफिस जा.
Will become dental care doctor. So let's see how she is gonna treat her patient. We can see there is a dummy patient lying on the bed, and she will become the dental care doctor. Here she will also like this supervisor will also explain about oral hygienic and other things, and how to take care, how to maintain our oral hygienic. Here she will come to know about how to maintain the oral hygiene, and she will act as she will act like a dental care doctor. A dummy patient is there, we all can see.
कैविटी क्यों होता है? ज़्यादा चॉकलेट स्लेट्स खाने से कुछ आपको ब्रश भी नहीं करता है। हाँ, डॉन ये ब्रश भी नहीं करते। हमें कितना टाइम ब्रश करना चाहिए? 5 टाइम, ठीक है। हमें दिन में 2 टाइम ब्रश करना चाहिए, ठीक है? ये करते हो आप लोग? नहीं ना? मैं करता हूँ। आप करते हो? कब करते हो? 5, 6, 4, 9, 14, 16.
Now this is the teeth cleaner machine. She is also explaining how to use it. They are doing the same. They are acting like a dental care doctor, dentist. Different kind of equipments are there. Dummy patient is there. Everything seems like real. So they are enjoying a lot. So now Runjhun is in Supreme Court of Kidzania. She will perform, she will act like a lawyer or can be a judge as well. We can see how the setup is. Proper courtroom is there. Judge, lawyer. Runjhun, look here. Do you want to become a lawyer or a judge? Lawyer or judge? Judge. Okay. Wait. Sorry? Am I?
इससे पहले आपको पता है कोड कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? फर्स्ट होता है हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, सेकंड होता है हमारा हाई कोर्ट, और थर्ड एंड लास्ट में सबसे पावरफुल होता है हमारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ठीक है? जिसमें क्या होती हो, ठीक है? तो आपको यहाँ पे डिफेंडेंस लॉयर को लॉयर का रोल प्ले मिला है, और आपको प्लेंटिव लॉयर, ठीक है? डिफेंडेंस लॉयर वो होते हैं जो एक्यूज पर्सन के लिए केस को डिफेंड करते हैं, ठीक है? और जो प्लेंटिव लॉयर होते हैं उनके क्लाइंट में डिफेंडेंस लॉयर के एक्यूज को केस के करते हैं। सो आपको यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स जो टॉपिक दिए जा रहे हैं वो फर्स्ट है यहाँ हिटिंग एंड रनिंग केस का, ठीक है? सेकेंड है आप बैंक आईडीएफसी पोस्ट बैंक की रॉबरी का, थर्ड है आप यहाँ पे मर्डर का कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? एंड देन फोर्थ है सिविल इंजीनियर। मेरे को मर्डर का करना है।
First, plaintiff's lawyer presents your opening statement.
Plaintiff lawyer present your opening statement.
In the CCTV camera,
ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट में आता है आपका नाम क्या है, आप कौन से लॉयर हो, आपके क्लाइंट का क्या नाम है।
it's your opening statement.
I am Navya, I am the defendant's lawyer, and my client has been accused of murdering my client.
Third, plaintiff's lawyer, you may call your first witness.
हम विटनेस वाले उसको ना स्किप कर
Call your second witness.
सेकंड विटनेस बना दी।
और
There is no other second witness. She was the only witness available, as she was sticking together with her relative.
what a fluency
As
she
the
has.
relative was a child, you cannot leave a child empty-handed. Sorry.
Huh?
Alone.
Why would my client kill a child and why won't her?
Because they don't like children. They are a full-grown adult. Why would they like
She
children?
was psychopath at least. That she
How can you prove that? I have it to evidence.
She इतनी बड़ी
Come quickly, jaldi se fire in the रख. रुको इधर ही बैठो. Maisha, come quickly. Come quickly.
enjoy TVS racing activity. For this activity, they have to earn the driving license, which she already got. Now she is going for this racing activity.
Yes, very good.
ऐसी है.
I will stand here and you are
आराम से.
कोई बात नहीं.
आप में से कोई एक आ जाओ, कोई एक आ जाओ दोनों में से.
Right now, Runjhun at Nashta Corner in Harvest School. She will learn what it takes to lead and manage the bread delivery service, and she will also she can also become a food artist here, and she can learn how to create fun and imaginative bread art. So here she is gonna learn that. She is wearing her clothes. She is wearing proper chef clothes. She is getting ready for becoming an imaginative bread artist. Right now she is explaining about the machinery for making fruity juice, how it's work, what kind of mangoes they are using, and they are making in reality. Also they have prepared different kind of sections like filter press, liquefying, blending, home pasteurization, sanitizer, uniforms, everything. They have a proper setup for making fruity pack of for these little kids.
Now Runjhun has moved to the biology biscuit factory. तो अभी ये सीखेगी पार्ले जी के बिस्किट कैसे बनाए जाते हैं।
So this is Kinder Joy Treat Factory. Here Runjun is inside, we can see. So here Runjun will learn what goes behind making of Kinder Joy. What are the different ingredients? What is the material which is using in making of Kinder Joy? And they will also get the chance of making their own Kinder Joy, packet of own Kinder Joy. They will learn how the manufacturing process is initiated for this particular product. These are the ingredients. They will all understand what is the logic behind. They are saying that Kinder Joy is full of milk. They will understand the real truth of Kinder Joy today. Not only them, but also we will learn that Kinder Joy is a good product for kids or not. So there are, like, you can see the children, you can see they are very much enthusiastic because Kinder Joy, everyone's favorite candy, chocolate. Runjun is having the packet, ingredients, everything is there. She is looking at the things. The whole manufacturing equipments, manufacturing machines are there.
I
Runjun will prepare her own pizza slice. So here she will prepare. Now this is Runjun is in pizza making factory, or we can say in a pizza making restaurant. Here she will make her own pizza slice. She is getting ready by wearing the clothes.
কিন্ডার জয় তো আমার কিন্ডার জয় সকাল থেকে বেরোয় অনেকবার গেছে পারেনি
Now Runjun will get her pizza slice, and all the toppings she needs to cover it with all the toppings and sauces on her own. She will make her own pizza slice. Here. She needs to mix and match the toppings as per her taste, as per her wish. So that's how the children learn decision making and skills.
দেখো ম্যাগিটা চিৎকার করলো আমি গিটার বাজাচ্ছিলাম
हिमांशु को पुलिस स्टेशन में आध्या सक्सेना नाम की पुलिस ऑफिसर ने जेल में डाल दिया है, क्योंकि इन्होंने मेरा मोबाइल चोरी करा था।
तो खरीदे पैसे